The International Court of Justice, the ICJ, says Israel must take all measures to prevent a genocide in Gaza. It issued an interim ruling today saying the ICJ has the jurisdiction to move forward with a landmark case South Africa is bringing against Israel. South Africa alleges that parts of Israel's offensive in Gaza are, quote, genocidal in character. In the meantime, it's ordering the Israeli military to take measures to limit the killing of Palestinian civilians as a result of the war with Hamas. The UN court stopped short, though, of calling for a full-scale ceasefire.
Following this attack, Israel launched a large-scale military operation in Gaza by land, air, and sea, which is causing massive civilian casualties, extensive destruction of civilian infrastructure, and the displacement of the overwhelming majority of the population in Gaza. The court is acutely aware of the extent of the human tragedy that is unfolding in the region and is deeply concerned about the continuing loss of life and human suffering.
CBS News correspondent Christina Ruffini is following this for us from Washington. Christina, as you're well aware, the court has no mechanism to enforce this order. So explain to our audience what this ruling really means.
That's right. I mean, as you mentioned, the court stopped short of calling for an immediate ceasefire, but they can order whatever they want. There is no mechanism by which they can enforce these decisions. Mostly this is a court of public relations, and already we're seeing predictably divided reactions from both sides of the conflict. The Palestinian foreign minister said the court ruled in favor of humanity and international law, and Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel will continue to defend ourselves, our citizens, while adhering to international law. But look, obviously, we've seen the world divide into camps on this issue, and this ruling is critical only in the court of public opinion, and that it's going to make it harder and harder for Israel to continue to justify this kind of bombardment of Palestinian territories of Gaza when you're having allies, nations, and now this international body associated with the UN say that they're going too far and they need to do more to protect civilians in that area.
Well, in the court of public opinion and international pressure, I'm wondering if that's going to have any effect on the release of hostages, because they called for that. Where do those negotiations stand, and do you expect that this additional bit of pressure might have any effect?
Right. I mean, just like the court can't really make Israel stop doing what it's doing, it also can't force Hamas to release these hostages. So we'll have to see how this all plays out. Now, we reported this week the CIA Director Burns is heading to France to meet with Qatari Egyptian officials, and as Qatari's Egyptian officials and the Israeli head of Hamas. There's about 100 hostages estimated to be left being held, and 6 of those are Americans. Now, families of those members of those hostages met with Biden advisors earlier this month. The U.S. has been pushing Israel for a ceasefire, in part to help these negotiations, to get Hamas to the table, back to a deal, to get Israeli officials back to a deal, to try to release more hostages. We even saw Israeli hostage families storm the Knesset, the Israeli parliament, demanding lawmakers do more to try to free their loved ones. But so far, we haven't seen much movement, and frankly, I doubt if this ruling today is going to have that much more of an impact. We'll have to see what happens in those negotiations in France.
Glad to have you watching all of it for us. Christina Ruffini, thanks.
Thank you.